Hi everyone, it's Daphne. At the moment in Melbourne, this month for body mind centering training, and just thought I'd drop a message to give another shout out for the upcoming training happening in April. This training is on the somatic applications of the Polyvagal Theory, something that has been instrumental in the clinical work that I've been doing the past 10 years or so, in rehabilitation, movement therapy, and yoga therapy. So in this course, you'll be looking at how to work with the polyvagal theory, not just in the theory of the physiology of our nervous system, but in terms of embodiment, in terms of embodying the different states of our nervous system and looking at how our nervous system can be tracked. What is the common misconceptions between the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system? What does it mean by a shutdown, a disassociation, a freeze, or a collapse? What is actually happening in our physiology when we are overwhelmed? How do we create a sense of safety through the body mind, and how do we track that sense of safety? What is actually happening and through our subconscious in our movement habits, and how does our stress response communicate these messages? So it's going to be a super intense and insightful, I would think 60 hours, yes, 60-hour training over the course of 2 weeks, end of April, first week of May. And we'll be running the training at this beautiful space called Yoga in Common in the Peranakan Shop House. I love that space with its beautiful props and beautiful energy there. Really the perfect setting in Singapore for such an intense topic. So if you are curious about how our nervous system impacts or has a relationship with how we um, interact with ourselves, with others, with our environment, how our nervous system creates patterns and habits. If you are a caregiver, if you facilitate movement, if you work with the body, work with the mind, work with coaching, if you are interested or fascinated by the human condition, or if you suffer from chronic pain, this will be a fantastic opportunity for you to learn how to track your nervous system, how to delve deep into your subconscious to look at what are the deeply held patterns and belief systems, and if there is a way to accept them, let them go, or relearn new pathways. So if you're a psychologist, you're a therapist, you're a coach, you're an instructor, you're a yoga teacher, you're a massage therapist, body worker, or if you're just a curious human being, this course is also for you. Okay.